Do you folks like chocolate? I love chocolate, and I love making different chocolate desserts. Well, today we are going to make a hot fudge pudding cake. They're really easy, and they come together so fast, and they're so delicious. I will give you the amounts and ingredients in the description box, so don't worry about that. I have cocoa, just old-fashioned cocoa. I have sugar, and I have some flour. Okay. Now folks, you don't have to do this part, it's optional, but it does give a smoother batter without any lumps. Okay, everything's all mixed up now. Or all sifted up, I should say. Just mix this up. And folks, I did use self-rising flour. If you choose to use all-purpose flour, which I know some people do still use it, you have to add baking powder and salt. And you will have to look those ratios up because I don't ever use it, so I don't know. Okay, we've got that pretty well mixed up. I have some melted butter. Some white milk. And some vanilla. Oh no, I'm going to have to go shopping. Okay, I'm just going to mix this up. What's your favorite thing to make from scratch? Let me know in the comments. So this is coming together really quick. It's not been cut and edited. Have my square Pyrex container. Give it a little spritz of the nonstick spray. And folks, this is a little heavy, so I can't turn it sideways and be all nice and pretty digging it out. It is real live, so we've got it in there. Okay, I'm just going to spread this out over the entire pan. Then we're going to get the rest of the ingredients on the top of it. That's what's going to make the hot fudge sauce. Go ahead and cut it. Okay, I have our remaining sugar. More cocoa powder and some brown sugar. We'll mix all this together, and then we're going to put it on top of our batter. We're not going to worry about trying to mash all the lumps for the brown sugar and stuff like that because they will bake out. They will melt. Okay, so we're just going to sprinkle this over. You can be pretty liberal with this because there's a lot of it. Just make sure you go back and cover all the areas of the cake. Then after you have a solid top on there, you can kind of spread it out like this right here. Okay. Now we're not going to stir that and mix it up. Okay. It's going to stay just like that. And I have some hot water. I'm just going to pour the hot water on the top. This is what's going to make the sauce. Okay, now I'm going to put it in my preheated 350 degree oven. And I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes. Our cake is finished. It's time to come out of the oven. Okay, now one thing that you're going to notice right away, it's not solid. Well folks, it's not supposed to be. Okay, you see right here, it's firm and it has firm spots in the middle, so therefore it's done. All of that jiggling around that you see, that's the hot fudge sauce on there that we made. So this needs to sit for 15 or 20 minutes before we can cut it. I'll show you what it looks like when we've laid it up. Putting this in the, okay. This is cooled down. As you can see, it's not jiggly like it was a few minutes ago. So, see all that wonderful fudge that's in there? I have an official taste tester. All right, Jackson, see what you think about it. Is that all you can say? All right, guys. I'm guessing it's Jackson approved. He's going back for another big bite. So, let me get out some for myself. Put a little bit of the hot fudge on top of it. There you have it, guys. A hot fudge pudding cake. Let me know if you try it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.